Hello everyone. 170 innovative proposal essay topics on various themes.
What is a proposal essay? A proposal essay is an essay type that is usually written to propose an idea. The main aim of the proposal essay is to propose an idea and convince the readers why the proposed idea is good or bad by providing supporting arguments or evidence. You may think that writing a proposal essay is an easy task, but actually, it is not. You need to focus on several things while writing a proposal. Light bulb most interesting online learning topics to write about: online learning space, creating process, online learning principles and objectives, evaluating online learning tools, online learning environments, online classes for high school students, online class and its outcome measurement, innovative social networking and online high school, innovative social networking and online high school, personal reflections for the MBA, distance learning. More example paragraphs with topic sentences. Online learning has its problems. Although student surveys always show students like to have access to materials online, the take-up of purely online courses is low.
Best online learning topic ideas. Essay examples. Looking for a good essay, research or proposal topic on online learning? Check our list of 170 interesting online learning title ideas to write about.
Among the many benefits of online learning, you'll find that virtual education allows you to enjoy a more flexible schedule. Thanks for watching this video and learning online topics.